everybody, welcome to Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Today we will be making a Dollar Tree gnome. We are going to creep it real with a cute little Halloween gnome. And if you haven't already, join the family. Come on, learn some fun, cute things. Learn how to make your world more beautiful, one project at a time. With me, the Buckeye Girl. Just subscribe and hit the notification bell. You'll never know what I'm going to be getting into. Hey everybody. We are going to start off with, this is a Dollar Tree pumpkin. You can get them in that color, or you can get them in this color. It doesn't really matter. We're going to start by popping the little raffia bow off because we don't need it. And then we have a pair of socks. These are Dollar Tree socks and it says creep it real. So we're going to start we're going to just cut along the lines. We're going to cut along the line. I'm going to cut right here too. And then I'm going to cut just above the elastic, just so you have a little purple showing. And then I'm going to cut right here, along the line here. And there's the heel. We'll just throw that away. But this here is going to, some people saying this, it doesn't really matter because mine's going to be covered up. Because my little gnome, he's going to have a shirt on. We don't do all that shirtless gnomes around here. We're in Ohio. We don't go for shirtless gnomes. So this will be my shirt. And this will be my hat. And I'm going to take this. I'm going to first start with and stuff the toe of the sock so it goes to a point. And then I'm going to take a little bit of ribbon. I'm going to tie some ribbon around it just to decorate it a little bit. Just going to tie a little ribbon around it. You could even make a bow if you wanted, but you don't really have to. Not forming a point like I wanted. I may just I'm gonna make a bow. It'll be just a little bow on the top of his hat. And then I'm going to stuff it some more. You can use pillow stuffing, you can use rice, you could use stuffing from Walmart. It doesn't matter, just a little stuffing to fill it up some. And then we'll pull this down over here. And I'll be back. Okay, I decided to cut the top out of the sock to just make it look like this instead of having it stuffed. So I have it like that. And then I'm going to glue his hat on. Just add a line of glue for his hat. So that means his shirt's gonna have to come up. His hat's gonna have to come down. And the same in the front. Then I have this cute thing that says "Keep It Real." I decided I want to use that as a hat band. Why not? It's available. We'll just use that as a hat band. Because we can. And that'll be a little hat band on his hat. So we'll glue that down. And then I will add his nose. Oh, I gotta add his beard first. Gonna add a pom-pom to the top of his hat. Here at the top. And then I will be back to embellish for his beard. Okay, I'm using black yarn. And I put yarn that will go all the way across, and I'll glue it to the back. And then I'm cutting pieces, which I can trim down, that is longer for his beard, for the beard. And I'm doubling it like this. And then I'm just gluing it in place. You can use a rag mop from Dollar Tree. You can use fur, whatever you choose for the beard. And then you can just trim it off. I think I need one more piece over here. And then that'll need trimmed off. And then you can either add a white pearl. I also have a little wood bead. But I kind of like the white pearl, so I'm going to go with the white pearl because I think it stands out more. And that will be his nose. Oh! be his nose. And then I'll take this, I'm getting rid of some strings. Then I'll take this, I have the piece of yarn that goes across. I'll just, to finish it off, I'll just put it all the way along this line. Add a little bit of glue here too. Okay. And this is our gnome. Here is our gnome. We're creeping it real. Hey everybody, thank you for joining me in making the Creep It Real Halloween gnome. It's nice to have you join me. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because you don't want to miss any more cute home decor. This would be great to take to a craft show or for a gift. He turned out cute. Talk to you later. Bye.